don't leave us to go from out of this place. May God go with you wherever you'll be going. May God give you answers to speak.
For information, communication and information. Kanobuha Magero, Wikwe Magero man. Kanobuha Magero is there, Chief Education.
In fact, thanking God is just a sign to show that Jacob loves and knows God. Many people have other things. Whenever they, yes, you can clap, you can clap. Thank you so much for that clapping. Some people, when they reach on certain things, certain achievements, they have where to go to thank. I've ever heard of someone thanking, you know, I come from Uganda. So now, some Bagandas are very funny. When God gives them twins, they have where to run to say thank you. They don't go to God to say thank you. They say, aha, ono yenyini mukasa yenyini banaye yakikoze. They run to Lubale Mukasa to say thank you Lubale Mukasa for giving me twins. You can imagine. So, some people have where to run to in the case of an achievement, but we want to appreciate Honorable for saying it has been God.
Yesu byonna abimanyi. Honorable Oboth for historical purposes, because you see in Patriotic League of Uganda our chairman gives numbers, so for historical purposes we shall request you to also give us numbers. I am going to begin with the, where is General Okidi? Okay, I am going to
even them. I should even go and endorse these people. Promise.
Enze wano bampise kujja ku mukolo kujaguza ne Honorable Oboth. Naye ensonga nzisanze wano. Naye ate nandiziwagidde kubanga emyaka 5 gino gye tubadde mu Parliament tewali kitambudde ewaffe emawokota. So nsuubira nti ono bw'anajja tuyinza okulabawo enjawulo. Ekisooka, omwami ono alina rekodi nnyonjo nnyo. Alina rekodi nnyonjo nnyo. Nsuubira nkijja kutuyambako okulwanyisa enguzi.
Nze kyemumanyiiko nti bambi muntu mukakamu, Oboth muntu mukakamu, teyeegulumiza, ate ekyokubiri musajja mukozi. Abadde mu ministries eziwerako nga Ministry of Defence y'emu ku zo. Naye tetulina kye twali tumuwuliddeko. So tusuubira nti nga bwe bamutaddemu obwesige, tusuubira nti ajja kukola omulimu omulungi era alambike bulungi ababaka ba Paalamenti. Kubanga ekisooka mu byonna, buli lwe tubeera mu bukulembeze buno, tulina kinene nnyo kye tuyigiriza abalituddira mu bigere, abavubuka. Abavubuka kuffe kwe bayigira. Bwe tuli enguzi batuyigirako. Bwe tukola obulungi ne tubalaga nti enguzi si nnungi, nabo bajja kukulira ku ekyo.
Omuntu gwe tumanyi nti alwanyisa enguzi Oboth nze namwogerako, ate bwe tumuwa bwa speaker agenda kubeera mukama wange. So ekyo ky'omumanye nti no kakati ebya corruption mu Parliament bikomye.
Madam PS.
While I was here planning to go for my, what was that, swearing in, which was yesterday, a day before that, and a few days before that, there was, I will want to say, a cloud, which is the size of a finger, from side of a fist, from the east this side, I saw, and I had not seen it properly, and they said it's going to rain. But you know, in this dry season, how can it rain with just small formation of cloud? Somebody has said climate change. So I didn't know they are rainmakers, and one of the rainmakers, you must have read. They made the weather forecast, the blah blah, and I want to be very grateful. You can see the difference of tents here. My small function in this kafunda was purely for the purposes we've had, prayer, and thank the voters.
Honorable Oboth, thank you for giving me opportunity to work. As a state minister, if your full minister doesn't give you an opportunity to work, for sure you will not do anything. But you gave me that environment to do the work. I thank you very much. All the members of parliament here, because I'm also a member of parliament, people are talking about a smoke, that there's a white smoke that is coming. I just want to tell you, you are going to enjoy yourself when you will be working with the Honorable Oboth. Because I am an eyewitness. Honorable Oboth, God's timing, nobody questions it. In this term we are concluding, you are aware how I managed to deceive the generals and the staff of the Ministry of Defense and all the staff. I ran around that time the whole night and I informed them that, you know, soon Honorable Oboth is going to be the big person of that house.